How to organize favorites on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to organize favorites on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So first is you have to open your TikTok application. So you will be directed to your home page, your For You page. So all you have to do is to pick the TikTok videos that you want to include to your favorite. So let's say I want to include this. So on the right side, you will see this banner there that has 6.2K. So you click on that, just click on until it becomes yellow. So let's just pick more videos. Let's just pick this and this and this. And then all you have to do is to go to your profile, and this is how your profile looks like. So in the middle part, you will see your videos, your private videos if you have, and then you will see the banner, and as you can see, your favorites are all there, and it is set on private. So all you have to do is to pick the video that you want to put in your favorites. So let's say I want to use this video, and as you can see, that has a yellow banner. So you just tap that until it becomes white, then tap it again. Now you will see the add to favorites manage. You click on manage and then create a new collection. Then you have to name that collection. So let's say Mima, and then tap in save. So added to Mima. So you have to go back, and all you have to do is to click on the collection. So all your favorites are there. As you can see, we have the Mima folder and we have the sample folder. So if you want to add more videos on Mima, so you click on manage videos, then add videos, and basically just add all the videos that you want to add by clicking on the check mark here, and then add videos. And basically that is how you organize your favorites on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.